and welcome class 5 students. Today in this class we will continue with the unitary method problem sums, and today's class also we will focus in time and work problems. The time and work problems which I have shown you in the last video. I have told you that in case of time and work, the two units are inversely related to each other. That is, with the increase in the number of men, the number of days of work will decrease. Now today also I will show you two special sums of unitary method time and work problems, but here is a simple conversion that you have to note carefully. For example, see, in the sum it is given that two men or three boys can finish a work in 48 days. Two men or three boys, they can finish a work in 48 days. It is given. Now, there are two units given. Two men or three boys. But we cannot continue the sum having two units. Having two units of same kind. Here it is given two men or three boys can complete a work or can finish a work within 48 days. Within 48 days. This is given. Now, these two units, same kind, we have to convert it into one type. Either we have to convert two men into number of boys or number of boys into two men. Here in this sum, we will convert the number of men into boys. How? Please see carefully. Here it is given two men or three boys. This means that two men is equal to three boys. Two men can do a work or three boys can do a work in 48 days. This means that two men is equal to three boys. Whatever two men can work in 48 days, that is equal to three boys can work in 48 days. That means three boys can do the same work in 48 days. If two men are not employed, then three boys can do the work, same work in 48 days. That is, two men's work is equal to three boys' work. Therefore, we will do the conversion. One man must be equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 boys. But here it is given that you have to find out 4 men and 6 boys. In how many days 4 men and 6 boys can do the work? 4 men and 6 boys can complete the work. You have to find 4 men. In how many days 4 men and 6 boys can complete the work? That means requirement is 4 men. You have to convert these 4 men. So 2 men equals to 3 boys, which is given in the sum. 2 men or 3 boys. So 1 man equals to 3 by 2 boys. Requirement is 4 men. So 4 men must be equal to 3 by 2 into 4. 3 by 2 into 4. Now this 3 by 2 into 4, you will do the calculation and you will get that 4 men is equal to 6 boys. 4 men is equal to 6 boys. So we can see that 4 men is equal to 6 boys. Now we will solve the sum. 4 men is equal to 6 boys, and now we will solve the sum. How? Let's see. We will do the unitary method. We will write, in place of 2 men, we will write 3 boys. That is, 3 boys can finish a work in 48 days. 48 days. So, one boy can finish. One boy will definitely require more days because this is the sum of time and work, and if number of boys decreases, obviously more day will be required because boys and work are inversely related to each other. So one boy can finish the work in 48 into 3. 48 into 3 days. 48 into 3 days. But you will write, you have seen, you have converted 4 men is equal to, now you have to find out 4 men and 6 boys. 4 men and 6 boys together, how much days will they take? You know that 4 men has been converted into 6 boys. Here I have shown the conversion. Here I have shown the conversion that 4 men is equal to 6 boys. But you are required to find out 4 men and 6 boys. So 4 men is 6 boys. 4 men means 6 boys plus 6 boys. 4 men means 6 boys plus 6 boys. So 6 boys plus 6 boys. Instead of 4 men, we are using 6 boys because 4 men is equal to 6 boys. So 6 boys plus 6 boys. Because it is given that 4 men and 6 boys. So 6 boys, 4 men equals to 6 boys plus, and means plus 6 boys. So 12 boys, 6 plus 6, 12 boys can finish the work. In 48 into 3 by 12. 48 into 3 by 12. You have to do this calculation and find out the number of days. So for 12 4s are 48. 4 into 3, that is 12 days. 12 boys or 4 men and 6 boys. You can write anything. 4 men and 6 boys or together 12 boys. 4 men and 6 boys is equal to 12 boys. Require 12 days to complete the same work. Require 12 days to finish the same work, to complete the same work. I hope you have understood whatever I have explained through this sum. Now, very quickly I am going to show you another sum. Here also, same thing is given. 8 men or 12 boys can do a work in 100 days. So, we will do the conversion fast. It is given that 8 men or 12 boys. So we will do the conversion first. 8 men is equal to 12 boys. So 1 man equals to 12 by 8 boys. And requirement is, it is given 24 men and 12 boys. You have to find the number of days worked by 24 men and 12 boys. So here you will do, write the required men. Here you will write 24 men. So 24 men is equal to 12 by 8 into 24. So 8 3s are 24. 12 into 3, 36 boys. So 24 men is equal to 36 boys that we have got. Now 36 boys plus 12 boys. 36 boys plus 12 boys is equal to 48 boys is the total number of boys that you have to find the number of days they can finish the work in. So in place of 8 men we will write 12 boys because 8 men is equal to 12 boys. So we will write the statement 12 boys can finish a work in 100 days. 100 days. So one boy can finish the work in 100 into 12 days. Why? Because they are number of days and number of boys are inversely related. As the number of boys will decrease, day will increase, and as the number of boy will increase, day will decrease, working days will decrease. So one boy we have found out. Now we will find out 36 boy. Why 36 boy? Because 24 men is equal to 36 boys and 12 boys. 36 plus 12 is equal to 48 boys. So we will write 48 boys can finish the work in 100 into 12 by 48 12 fours are 48 and 4 and 100 will cancel each other to get 25. So 25 days, 48 boys will complete the work in 25 days. In place of 48 boys, we can also write 24 men and 12 boys in the answer. Can finish the work in 25 days in the answer when you will write the full answer. I hope whatever I have explained you have understood. In my next class, I'm going to come up with more sums of these time and work problems. So till then, goodbye.